Thank you, Provost Kilpatrick, for that very kind introduction. I appreciate this honor very much. It means a great deal to me. And I thank President Cram, Provost Kilpatrick, and the faculty and Board of Trustees at Illinois Tech for bestowing this honorary degree upon me. My framed diploma will visibly reside on a wall of my office at the National Academy of Engineering for my colleagues and visitors to see. My 12 years at Illinois Tech were among the finest of my life as president and as professor. I made many friends at Illinois Tech and interacted with many outstanding students and faculty. I learned firsthand what a great university Illinois Tech is. I resonate with the students at Illinois Tech because I too was the first in my extended family to gain a college degree. In fact, my parents never graduated from high school. Many students here are in a similar situation. They realize how important a good education is to their future. Illinois Tech provides an outstanding education for any student who is willing to work hard. I congratulate the class of 2021, and I wish you great success as you move forward with your lives and careers. And again, I thank all those involved in awarding me this honorary degree. I will cherish it forever. Thank you.